Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks Part 2. I said in that last video that it'd be really easy to put a border, and I thought maybe not everybody knows. So, and then I left this last one because I started thinking when we I virtually deleted that, we can just select it all and hit delete and it takes it all out. So it's good to go. Now, to make a screen around this, and you'd want it a lot more of them, you know, so it would be smaller because this would be too big for a screen, but the people are going to get the idea. I'm going to hold down the shift key and make a rectangle by double clicking on it, and what that did, that put a box around our artwork perfectly. Now you can see my lines don't meet up, but we can change that to like 98% size because we need that. Now I'm going to go up to effects and contour. I'm going to contour 1 inch to the outside with straight corners. I'm going to go up to object. I'm going to break the contour apart. I'm going to set my nudge factor on, let's see how big this is, 27 inches. Let's make it 20, let's make it 30 inches. And I'm going to nudge this out of the way just to get it out of the way so it won't interfere. Now you can't really weld this, but you can use front minus back, and look what it did. Then when you nudge this back, of course you'd want to make it all a red hairline. But what the screen's going to look like, and if they're doing it out of wood, we'll just make it a wood color. And you fill this in, that's what your screen's going to look like. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.